What's going on, fellas? Let's see what happens today. Let's see what happens. We had a good jump today. See if we can get this thing to pop on down. Just for a little bit. Yeah, that shit climbed to $5. Alright. Let's see what we do, fellas. What's going on, brother? I see you're on. You should be able to will come in with the same invite, same link I sent yesterday. Let's see. Yeah. Let's see what we do, fellas. drop on down, baby. Let's get it. Just a good old one. Just a little small drop. That's it. Let's see what we got here. All right. All right, let's see what we got. What up, Will? See if we can get this little good drop here. Just a little small one, at least to the 50. What up, Hector? We just need to come down to the 50, guys. That's it. Right before market opens. And then see if we can still keep climbing up today. Probably past 470. I want to see this thing go up to 470 today. So as soon as market opens, I'm going to get into some calls at 470. Let's see. Are we going to bounce off that? Okay. Yeah, it's going to bounce off that. It's going to bounce off that. Hey, if you're on, brother, you can collab cam with the same link I sent you yesterday. If you're on right now. Get me out.
Order filled.
I forgot about that. Forgot about that. Let me data series. Sorry about that, guys. Strategies. No, I don't need no strategies. Indicators. I almost had it, guys. I almost did. Alright, how do I get that to turn off order filled stuff? No, alerts. There we go. No, I don't need alerts. Okay. Let's go to orders. Let's go to options, trading. Let's go to general. Okay, it should be off now. Everything should be off. Buy to cover target 1. Alright, let's see if we can get this thing to come down just a little bit to the 50 on the 1 minute. And then try to keep going up today. That's what I want to see at least. We don't have that pressure though. There's no pressure going down. There we go. Come on. All right, let's see. Hold on, where's it at? I gotta keep this thing tight, guys, because I made I made a mistake of buying another one here at this level. So I'm gonna keep this one tight. Or in profit, keep a tight profit because I need to get out of this trade before 9:30. Yeah, I need to keep this trade tight. Probably back down to VWAP. That's possible. I think that's what I'm seeing. Back down to VWAP. That'll be on the Q's 466.80, which would be around 300. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a buy limit there, and then I will buy down here um, on the 21. I'm gonna buy another. I'm gonna buy some here at that level. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna keep this one tight as well. Well, yeah, I'm gonna keep this one tight. Yeah, because I need to get out of this one. I need to get out of this one before anything stupid happens. Let's see. Hmm. Let's see what we do, guys. See what happens, fellas. let's see. What the heck? Let's see. What's going on? What's going on here? We need to get out of this trade soon. Hmm. Anyways, all right. Let's see what's going on here. 60. Let's look at the 15 real quick. So we are seeing this up, but I want to see this thing come back down here and then bounce back up, possibly to this level here. So I'm just gonna move that there. Actually, I'm gonna move it here. Yeah, I think that's more appropriate. Let's move this to back to the 5. All right, let's see what happens, guys. I'm not seeing too much for today. I don't know. Let's see. Now, if we can get this to cross over, If the MACD's cross over on this 5 minute, then come back down to the 50 or actually this 21 and bounce back up, or you can just still climb up from here and just keep up bouncing off this 7 on the 5 minute. That's what I'm seeing right now. If we look at the 15, same thing. We're gonna keep going up, but I want to see it retrace back to those levels again. Let's see if market open it actually just drops on down a little bit. Uh, if it does keep popping up, then I'm just gonna wait and try to short it. Um, see if it'll if I'm able to get out of this trade. We only got 3 minutes. I did get some 472 calls yesterday. Uh, if it does reach the 472 in the next half hour, then I should be in profit. And then I'm gonna get out of those contracts or out of one of them. Only got 2 more minutes left, guys. We got 2 more minutes. I'm gonna keep it tight. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna keep it tight right here. Just in case if it does come dropping down, if it does drop down, I'm just gonna keep it tight. I need it to. We got 2 more minutes, so let's see what happens. Got 1 more minute, fellas. 1 more minute. Oof, this thing looks like it's gonna keep going up, but I do want to see this thing come down at least to the 21. I want to see it come down here at market open. Let's see if it does happen. If it don't, then if it keeps going up, I'm just gonna get out of this one and just I would go long on this whether it does come down. I would still go long. I accidentally got into this trade earlier before market open, or um, got it in here. I should have got out of both of them when it came down here, but I gotta be stubborn sometimes. Market's open, guys. Let's see what happens. All right, so it looks like we're gonna still keep going up, guys. So if it drops down just a little bit, I might get out, might get out. But let's see what happens in 30 minutes. I'm up $20 on my Q calls. I need to stop getting those lottos. I mean, I went from $500 all the way to $88, and that's because I'm just trying to catch those lottos, man. They're cheap, but the chances of them going to where you think it is, it's not high, but when it does, it's so rewarding, like, you'll shit your pants, but let's see what happens, fellas. I don't think I'm gonna make this one. I don't think it's gonna go down. I hope it does. I want to see it come down to this 21 on the 5, and that would be on the 1 minute, that would be on the 50 as well. So on the 1 minute, the 50 would be here. All right. All right. I might just hold this, guys. I might just hold it. I might just hold this. I want to see what happens. If we can get this thing to come back down to 50, that would be great. Come on. Let's see what we got here. 15, the 1 hour, the 2 hour, 4 hour. Everything's looking good right now. I mean, except for my trade, but I still see. So if we come down just a little bit, if I can get out of this trade, I would go long, guys. I would go long. Uh, I'd say about this level here. 275, 275 around this range here. I would go long. So that would be somewhere right here. I would go long there. Or if it doesn't hit if it goes down here, I would go long on this side. Right here. Let's see what happens, fellas. Honestly, I should just wait until market opens. Every time I get into pre-market, I always get in trouble. All right, let's see. Okay, that 1 hour. All right. I think we can come back. I think we can come down. We should be able to. There we go. Come on. Just give you a little good sell-off. That would be nice. So I can get out of this trade. Positive. That's what I want to do. Get out positive. I think it could reach up there. It could go up to 472. 472. I think it can go up there. Let's just wait and see what happens. Well, I'll wait for it at 472. The biggest probability profit calculator. If it goes to 472, if it goes to 472, that would be a $200 profit. All right, 472. Let's just wait. I'm just gonna wait for 472. This thing is gonna keep climbing up, guys. I want to see it come down to this 21. If it keeps climbing up, that's all right. I'm gonna wait for a reversal if there is one, and get out of this one and go long. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait on this one, guys. I'm up $60 on my calls, so I might just get out of those. I don't know. No, not yet. I'll just wait. Should get out though. I should. See what happens, guys. All right. All right. This could be a little good push down, guys. Yeah, okay. All right. Jeez. Come on down. I want to see it come push down here, and then I want to get into some calls. I mean, I get into some long positions here. I would long this all day. Value, price, purchase price. Okay. Oh, all right. I'm gonna wait for a bounce up, and then I'm gonna short it. I'm gonna add two more contracts to this. I want it to go above this level here. I want it to go above this level here, and then I'll short it. I'll add two more contracts. That way I can get out of this thing. Come on. All right. I'm gonna get ready. All right, I'm gonna get ready, guys. Failed. If it doesn't go above this level here and it just keeps consolidating down, then I'll just hold. I'll just keep it as one. But if it goes even higher, at the very top of its where it reaches, I'm gonna try to get in two, and then this break even will move up and see if I can get some of those back, those profits back, and get out of here somewhere. I'm just gonna keep it as one for now until I see any kind of drastic movement either up or down. Now I'm not seeing any kind of now whenever these two EMAs come close together and they cross over on the 5 minute, then we're having a reversal. But they're nowhere near. That's why I want this to come down here, hit it, and then come back up. That's what I want to see. Um, on the 1 minute, if they cross over the 1 minute, we need to just make sure that the MACDs are below zero for a downwards movement. So let's just see what happens, fellas. I want to catch the top. If we do have a reversal, I want to catch the top. There's really nothing going on right now. I'm up $49 on my calls. All right, I'm getting ready, guys. There we go. All right, let's see what happens. Not yet, not yet, not yet. Not yet. Let's see what happens. I want it to have a real like a real fast movement to the upside, like a real so that way I can get in at the very top. Let's see if I can try to save my profits real quick. I want to see that MACD on the 1 minute get closer to the zero to the level line and cross over the EMA's crossover. Um, Come on, just one more push up. I want to get that. I want to get that top, guys. Come on, I want to reach that top. We're at 469. I'm gonna wait at 470. See if I'm gonna at 470 on the QQQs. I'm gonna wait for it to hit 470 and then I'll get in. Because we're at 460. Yep. Okay. We're at 469.83, 469.85. So see what happens. One more push up. One more push up, guys. 470. Come on, keep pushing. What if this thing reaches the 472? That would be awesome. I'm up 151% on my call. It says you can't submit an exit until any of its entry orders have been filled. Oh, okay. Damn it. All right, let's just wait. Let's just see what happens. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of my I'll just wait. I'll just wait. Come on. I want it to reach to its highest point. It's at 470.39. Come on. Keep pushing up. There you go. Keep pushing up. Sell to close. Sell to close. I'm going to sell to close. There we go. Sold my call. Sold my call. This thing is probably going to keep going up. Let's see. Well, I'm out of that call, so that I'm good for right now. I'm going to exit out at 500. Okay, let's see what we got here. And I should have kept those calls. Come on. I'm gonna come back down to that 50. Damn, I should have kept my calls. It's alright. want to add one more contract. And that'll be it. There we go. That's all I'm adding. I'm not adding no more. Jeez, at 471, I should have kept those calls. I should have. I only had one. That's crazy, guys. $464. Oh my God. Come on, give us that good drop. Let's see. 577, 569. 627. That's all right. See if we can get a reversal. Let's see what we got. See if this thing can drop on down to VWAP at 409.24. If not, we can just bounce off of that, bounce off of this 7. On the 1 minute would be the 50, so come on. Just drop it on down. Let's go. Come on. It's almost there. It was almost there. We just needed just a little bit more push down, and then we could get back to these levels here. I want to see it come back down to here, down to this 21 on the 5 minute. And then I'm going to go and I'm going to long it if it does reach down there. If not, then oh well. All right, let's see. I'm gonna wait, guys. I think see if it can hold this area. we can get below that 50 on the 1 minute and hold it there, then I think we have a chance. I think we may have a chance. We may have a chance to save this, guys. See what we do. I'm just waiting. I think we can come back down. I mean, everything is just overshot. Now it's just a waiting game, really. I'm gonna go ahead and add one more to this. Let's see. Let me see if I might just add one more here in a minute. If it can't go above this level here, if it can't go above here, then I think we should be able to put one more. If it doesn't go above that level, I think we should be all right. All right, see what happens. That was weird, especially on the 1 minute. That looked weird. See what happens, guys. Hmm. Let's look at the 30. Hmm. I'm starting to see something here, but I'm gonna try to see if I could later on in the day see if my thing actually worked. There's not enough pressure, guys. There's not enough selling pressure here. Let's see. Yeah, that thing is at 13 cents. Jeez. These things aren't actually moving at all. Not really. Tesla is alright. Tesla needs to come down. Apple is popping. Same with Meta and AI. Or actually, Microsoft is just not doing too well. It's starting to do some weird shit. I think Microsoft would be the one that's going to drop. Microsoft looks like it wants to, it's just asking, it's begging to be dropped. Same with, let's see, Google. Nvidia needs to come down. Yeah, I don't think we're going to be able to, possibly won't even save this. We need that selling pressure. That's all we need. It's consolidating here. So I got 5 contracts in, so that means I'm gonna have to risk about 700. So I'm close. I'm getting close. It's close, but anyways, let's see what we do. I might have to take a loss today, so let's just see what happens. Hmm. It looks like we might be able to come back down. It just really it does, but we need that selling pressure. think that's what it's doing. It's oh man, I'm tired. It's all about patience, guys. Even though I do hate seeing that 489, $500. I mean, it's just risk. Like I said, I might have to take a loss today, so let's see what we got here. Quick level 2 quotes. I can't see anything. They're not showing me level 2 book. Let's do QQQ. Apple, I did not ask for Apple. Orders accepted, total volume. Surprise time and shares, 1028. It's not showing me really anything. Yeah, I'm gonna have to take a loss today, guys. So on the 1 minute, if you look at the 7 EMAs, the 21 and the 50, if the 7 crosses over the 21 and goes below the 50 on both of them, then that's a confirmed down. That's being um bearish. So 471.69, 471, 471.81. Yeah, man, this thing is crazy, man. I should have gotten out down here. I should have gotten out with those two contracts and still kept going up. But I get stubborn. I get stubborn. Let's see. Heat map. Stock market heat map. Heat map. Everything's green. There's a lot of green everywhere. So, yeah, I might have to take a loss today. Might have to take a loss today, guys. Might have to take a loss. If we can't get no reversal, then I'm gonna take a loss. We just never know how high this thing is gonna go. It's like one of those things, man. Two, that'll be a month. So 503 in a month. Huh. See what happens. Still a lot of buyers. I don't think we're going to recover from this, guys. Um, I don't see it happening. It's keep on bouncing off that seven. On the 5 minute, it's bouncing off that seven, so I don't think we're going to recover from this. That's on the seven. Yeah, I should have held on to my calls, guys. Jeez. Yeah, I don't think I'm recovering from this, guys. I'm gonna take a loss. Hmm. To 15. We're still gonna go up, guys. All right. Ugh. Mm. All right, guys. Let's see. Yeah, we're not recovering from this, guys. I have a stop loss at 1,000, so. Hmm. Yeah, I should have kept my calls all day. Yeah, we're not gonna recover from this, I don't think. So, all right, guys, we got about 20 minutes. Um, let's see. From what I'm seeing is later on, possibly, I don't know. If they do decide to dump it, will probably come down to here to this 265 level, possibly down here to 222.50 if they do decide to dump this. As far as I know right now, I don't see no kind of reversal. So unless you get that crossover on this 1 minute, uh, the 7 needs to cross over the green and be below the 50 in order for that to happen. So um, and it's far from that right now. Unless we get a nice good drop, you get a good drop down, come back up, and they start to consolidate here. This crossover from the 7 to 21, they start crossing over and going below the 50, then I would short that. So that's all I'm seeing right now. And that would possibly be around the 50. The 50 on the 1 minute is around here, and then the 21, or yeah, I don't see anything indicating we having a reversal just yet. And that's nothing. That's not even a. Yeah, this most likely be a one-sided day, guys. I don't see no kind of reversal or anything, and I don't think they're gonna drop it either. So let's see. So I'm down close to 1,000. We need to get a massive sell-off. That's what we need to do. But oh well, if it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen. It takes me out, then it is what it is. Tomorrow's another day. Tomorrow is another day. Look at that, man. And it keeps on just ripping. I need to get below these levels here, guys. I need to get below these levels here. It's just I think it's gonna be just a one-sided day, guys. I don't see nothing yet. Maybe later on it might sell off heavily. But right now, yeah, I think I'm screwed. So it is what it is, guys. I mean, you gotta risk it. Risk it for the biscuit. See, all right, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna be taken out. I got $50 left, and I'll be taken out. So yeah, that was my fault. I should have gotten out here. I should have known better. I knew it. I knew it was just gonna keep climbing up, but should have gotten out here, or was it here? I had two in there, and then I just decided just to come back down. See what happens, guys. See if it bounce. See if let's see if it bounces off this seven. If it bounces off this seven, it comes back up, then um, and that's not good. If it don't, and it keeps on dropping, then that would be a good sign. If not, that'll be all right. But anyways, guys, you got 10 minutes. Just like I said, this thing is probably going to keep. It's probably going to be a one-sided day. So, um, like I said later on, I don't know when. Maybe it, or right now, it might just drop on down. But I am seeing that this could go to this 7 here on the 1 hour if it does drop significantly. That's all I'm seeing as of right now. That would be around here on the 21 on the 15 minute, and that'll be here on the 50 on the 5 minute. So just need that drop, guys. That's all. That's all you need is that good drop. So I'm just gonna hold on to this, guys. I'm gonna hold on to this until either one, I'm in profit, or two, it just takes me out. Um, I'm fine with it. It's all right. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end the stream. Uh, I think no for tomorrow, but just watch your MACD levels, and on the 1 minute, if the 7 crosses over the 21 on the 1 minute, and those two are below the 50, then I would short that. Um, that's what I would watch for. But all right, guys, I'll check y'all out tomorrow, and I'm going to take this loss if it keeps going up. If not, then I'll be in the green possibly later on today. But I'll check y'all.